games are going to make people millionaires for playing the games? Yes, that is literally what I'm saying. I think that some of these games are going to have the potential to literally make some players hundreds or thousands of dollars per day.
Welcome back to Investment Tribe, where you've subscribed because you want to learn all about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other digital assets. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and enable the notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we post a new video. We've been playing NFT-based games for a while now. The trend is finally picking up these days. That's why we will share our top 3 favorite blockchain-based play-to-earn games with you. Not only do these games allow you to monetize your time and earn real-world value, but they're fun and unique games and have great communities already. We think that play-to-earn games will dominate the industry in the next 5 to 10 years. That's why consider yourselves very lucky since you're here early, learning how to do this now and taking advantage while the prices of the tokens are still relatively low and the community is just starting to bloom. Alright, enough with the intros. Let's start with the list. Number 1. Blancos Block Party. We will start with the newest game on the list, Blancos Block Party. This might be the newest game on the list, but it has quickly risen because it's so much fun to play. It's a multiplayer party-style minigame very reminiscent of Fall Guys. You will control a character called Blancos in this game. You and other players will start in the junction, which is sort of like the main lobby, and this is where the players get going. From here, you can go and jump in the minigames, and you can collect these little things called vibes, which are power-ups essentially. You can use a jetpack if you want to see the whole world from up above, which is pretty cool. It's very diverse. Again, the starter area is like the main lobby to explore all kinds of things. There are different NPCs and the main hubs. Another thing you can find in the starter area are holes or portals, and this is where you jump into the parties. These parties will help you earn XP or experience points, level your character up, and most importantly, how you play to earn. As you level your character up, you will get a higher chance of obtaining what's called the Party Pass. The Party Pass allows you to earn really dandy items like wearables for your character or even new Blancos. These collectibles can then be sold in the marketplace for real-world cash. As I said earlier, this is the newest among these 3 games. It has been out for less than a year, so they're still improving some marketplace features. But we can say that this is one of the most solid games out there, and their play-to-earn model is really excellent as well, especially the Season Pass system that they're employing. It mirrors many traditional video games, so gamers can quickly adapt to Blancos Block Party. You can earn some in-game currency called Blancos Bucks, which you can then use to buy more accessories in the store and then resell them. And here's the thing, a lot of them sell out, so it will get to a point when there's no more left to buy from the store. So you can only buy from another user in the marketplace if you badly want them, meaning the rarer the item you own, the more you can profit from it once the demand is high. Number 2. Gods Unchained. Let's proceed with the next game on the list, Gods Unchained. Fans of the channel are well aware that we've been big fans of this game for a very long time. Gods Unchained is a trading card game, aka TCG, aka collectible card game. It was inspired by popular games from the same genre as Hearthstone, especially in style, and Magic the Gathering. So if that's your cup of tea when it comes to games, you should be very excited to try Gods Unchained. And we should not forget about the play-to-earn aspect of the game. So that's at least 2 reasons for you now. This trading card game is enjoyable to play. All the cards are NFTs, so you own the cards you purchase, unlike Hearthstone or Magic the Gathering. So you can sell or trade these cards in the marketplace if you want to earn some profit. So the way that works is that you gain free packs of cards as you level up in this game, and they are yours. The most beautiful aspect about these cards, in our opinion, is that you can combine them, called fusing in the Forge. You could then sell these cards in the marketplace. So we're talking big bucks here, especially when you fuse your cards into a rare one. You can create your decks in the workshop. This is where you can also mix and match different cards and find your strongest deck. You can also see your whole collection in the collection tab. But the arena is where the real deal is. This is where you can go ahead and battle. When starting a battle, you have to pick your god power first. It's going to be a great battle if you play against somebody who has the same god power. So the actual game is in auto battle mode, meaning the system will do the best strategies for your deck. You can just sit back, relax, and maybe even pray to help you win the battle. It's a pretty fast-paced card game, and there would be no problem with kicking yourself when you've made a wrong move. Not to mention, it has excellent artwork, and the developers are constantly working on the game itself to make it even better than it is now. Number 3. Axie Infinity. For today's list, we have Axie Infinity. Of course, no list about NFT games is complete without this phenomenal game. This game has blown up over the last year, and for a good reason. You can have so much fun while playing, and the opportunity to hugely earn is just incredible. There are 2 tokens produced by the game, AXS and SLP. The first token supports the game's backend, while the latter is used for breeding the characters called Axies, which can be traded in the market. These 2 tokens took off in 2021. It truly is the best year for Axie Infinity, so you can earn a considerable profit from this game. But here's the catch. Axie Infinity is not a free-to-play game, so it does cost money to get started in this game. We think of this as an investment. You have to give us starting money before getting the chance to earn a bigger profit. Again, the game's main characters are called Axies, and they are cute collectibles. At the same time, they are the ones who will battle for you. To get started, you need to have 3 Axies to make the team, and as I said earlier, these Axies are not free. You have to buy these Axies, and each has different traits. The best part is that they are not created equally, as some are rarer than others. So if you happen to come across one, well, congratulations! These qualities determine what Axies you'll be able to use in the battle. You start a battle with a bunch of different cards. These cards are basically the skill you can assign your Axies to do, and each card has different energy levels. For example, in Adventure Mode, you start with 4 energies that build up over time. So these energies are what you pay to activate and use the cards. This is where the strategy part of the game comes in. Each card has different energies, and you have limited energies. So you need to use them wisely and be efficient with every move. The way you play to earn in this game is through SLP, or Smooth Love Potions. As I said, these SLPs can be traded in the marketplace. So they're like a cryptocurrency token that you can go and trade for Ethereum or other different cryptocurrencies and then cash out if you want to. By rough estimates, you can earn a good amount of SLP per day, around 150 to 200. Of course, this all depends on how many hours you're playing. So if you want to turn this into your full-time job, it's possible. If you're playing a bunch of hours, say 8 hours per day, you could really earn at most 200 SLPs. But you need to watch the market too, as SLP's prices are very volatile, much like any other cryptocurrencies. But SLP is one of those tokens that has exploded, so it's possible that a vast leap might happen again. And if everything goes right, you can easily recover your initial investment. That's the list for today. Those are our top 3 favorite play-to-earn NFT games where you can earn crypto tokens. You can turn these tokens into actual cash. So aside from being fun and entertaining games, you can make some big bucks here. What do you think? Let us know in the comments what are some other NFT games out there that you like playing. Well, that's all for now. This is Investment Tribe. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.